Welcome to our today's digital series. Today I want us to look at science, and under science I want us to look at the human body, class 6 topic. And under the human body we have different subtopics that are very important for you to understand. Today I want us to look at the parts of the female reproductive system. We are going to discuss in details about the various parts of the female reproductive system and their functions, so that you get to understand how these things all work as a team to come up with a new product, that is a baby. The first part that I want us to look at is the vagina. The vagina is a muscular tube which opens to the outside of the female body. Muscular tube is like a tube, but it opens outside in female. The vagina is very important for you to understand that it is a place where that receives the sperms from the male reproductive organ or system. Also, it is important for you to understand that this vagina is a place also where we allow the passage of urine from the human body, that is the female. Another part that I want us to look at, or before we go to that one, it is critical for you to understand that the other name for vagina is birth canal, because this is where the women give birth. The baby gets out through the vagina. Another part that I want us to look at this morning is the ovaries. The ovaries, I'm calling them the ovaries because there are two, one on the right side and another one on the left. The ovaries. It is important for you to understand that anytime we talk about the ovaries, the ovary now produces the egg. The egg, which is called the ova when in plural, but if it is singular, it is the ova. Now, the ova are the eggs. These are the eggs that when they meet with the male sex cell, that is the sperms. Now, that is the time we say fertilization has taken place. Fertilization has taken place. Now, the main function of the ovary is to produce the eggs, that is the female reproductive sex cells. The female reproductive sex cells. Another part that I want us to look at in details is the oviduct. The oviducts, we have two of them, one on the right side and another one on the left side. The oviduct is a very important part in the female reproductive system because this is a place where fertilization takes place. In this case, when I talk of fertilization, I mean the fusion of the male and female reproductive system. The male and female reproductive sex cells. Now, when they meet here in the oviduct. Now we say that fertilization has taken place, meaning that the ova now will be fertilized. And the other name for oviduct is fallopian tube. It is also known as fallopian tube. I also want you to understand that once fertilization has taken place in the oviduct here, now the fertilized egg will move to the uterus. Now, the uterus is another part that I want us to look at. The uterus or womb, it nurtures the fertilized ovum that develops into a baby. Now, the main function of the uterus or the womb, this is a place where the fertilized ovum develops into a baby. That's where the baby now develops until the time of birth. That is a period of 9 months. The last part that I want us to look at is the cervix. And the cervix is the lower part of the uterus. The cervix opens into the vagina. It is the lower part. It is the lower part that opens into the vagina. Thank you. Let's meet next time.